Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. On this channel I do food blogging, I bake, I teach a little bit of everything, so relax and enjoy this video. Today I'll be teaching us how I make my fondant. Fondant is majorly used for wedding cakes, especially in Nigeria where I come from. So in your mixing bowl, add in your powdered sugar or icing sugar, but you make sure you filter your icing sugar. Is a very important process if you must have a smooth fondant. Filter everything into the mixing bowl. After that, add in 1 tablespoon of C.M.C. This is what will make the fondant to be hard. If you want it very hard, you add more, but here I'll be making use of only 1 teaspoon. You need 2 large eggs to 500 grams of icing sugar. Separate the egg yolk from the egg white because you'll be making use of only the egg white. After that, make a hole in the middle of the icing sugar and add in your eggs. Add in 1 tablespoon of liquid glucose. And begin to mix everything together until it's well incorporated. Keep mixing until you have a non-sticky dough. Please make sure you wash your hands very well. You can see that I'm using my hands, but I can assure you that it's well washed so that you don't give others microorganisms. After that, you transfer it to another plate and your fondant is ready. So this is how simple it is to make fondant in Nigeria. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.